not working hard. Yeah, right, picture that with a
Because our product is nanotechnology. Everyone say nanotechnology.
Nanotechnology.
Ano ibig sabihin nun?
What's it
The
mean?
components of our products are so minute,
Minute.
so small, na kapag ino mo, it goes to your cellular level right away. Mabilis yung absorption. Kaya tinanggol natin sa caption para pakita sa inyo
Sabi ko, C24.
Bossing ano ni?
Girls.
Dart. Ano bigat mo, more or less? Timbang mo?
Depende nga.
62 kilos. Iwan muna natin itong tubig. So what I would like to request is 4 wonderful ladies that to do this hand formation. Ayan, magkadikit yung kamay, parang babarin si Dart. Ganyan, nandito yung si Georgian. Man here, okay, Dart, ang form mo parang hari. Ganyan, ganyan na, parang hari. Nakadikit yung ayan, ganyan. Nagawin ni Man here, ilalagay dito sa hita, sa ilalim ng hita, sa alak-alakan. Ayan. Diyan. Ikaw naman, dito, sa ilalim dito, okay? You, on the other hand, ma'am, dito naman sa ilit-ilit. Okay, naligo naman si Dar. Okay. Ma'am, ganun din po, on the other side. What these girls will try to do is try to live here. Subukan na natin kung mabubuhat. Kumain na po ba kayo, ma'am? Kumain na. Kumain na raw. Sige, subukan natin. 1, 2, 3, buhat. Okay, ang galing. O baka sabihin siya, ulitin natin. O, let's try. 1, 2, 3, let's try. Okay, o sige, mabahay. At times, sakit mo na. So you can see the strength of the product. If they can lift Dart as high as this level, and then we can count up to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, saka na ibababa, okay? Kasi makikita nyo naman, medyo dinrak on the first try. Medyo nanginginit. So ito yung mga products natin, okay, in a glass. Ma'am, with cheers.
Take a video to truth moment. Banduay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Nakita nyo naman yung C24/7. 140 ingredients in one capsule. Vitamins, minerals, trace minerals, 12 fruits, 12 vegetables, 12 mushrooms, amino acids, 14 spirulina, 14 green foods and spirulina blend, omega fatty acids, longevity polyphenols, antioxidant enhancers. Ayan, usually pagkatapos mo uminom, meron pang residue. Sayang naman yung residue, di ba? So lagyan pa natin ng tubig. Ayan. Then, pakipilitan ng konti. Ayan. Ganun nyo.
Kinakayo mo yung sa tao.
Ayan. Okay, now it's like this. Kung ang inyong nilalason. Okay lang, diba? O, kung kayo poison. Gano'n kayong poison?
Poison? Poison.
Cyanide. Ayan. Kung ang inyong nila cyanide, kasi iba sila sabi, Dok, pag iniinom yung product, wala naman akong nararamdaman eh. Tulad din, may nararamdaman ka bang iba? Wala, di ba? May nararamdaman ka mga kaiba? Wala parang ganun din eh. Ganun din ang lason. I'm not kidding. Pag uminom ka ng lason right now, wala kang mararamdaman ka agad. But I bet you after 2 to 3 minutes, ayan na. Bubula na yung bibig mo. Mangingisay ka na. Next time, pag uminom ka ng lason, wala kang nararamdaman. But down to your cellular level, something bad is already happening. Am I clear? Ganun din sa supplement. Pag uminom ka, after a few hours, wala ka rin nararamdaman. Sabi niya, pag inom ko ito, lalakas ako. Sabi niya, pag inom ko ito, maganda performance ko kamayin gabi. Wala ka lang nararamdaman ngayon. Totoo. Pag uminom ka ngayon, wala kang kaagad mararamdaman. But I guarantee you, down to your cellular level, something good is happening. Am I clear?
Yes.
To be my point, again, same position. Ganyan, ganun ma, tusok. Ganyan, tusok. O, ang goal natin, as high as this. Okay? Sabay-sabay. With all of your full effort. Ma'am, full effort. All of your energy as high as this, and then hindi ibababa. Huwag ibabagsak si Mark. Ang gagawin natin, bibigyan kami ng up to 10. Huwag yung muna ibababa. Are you guys ready? Okay, 1, 2, 3, buhat!
Ay, grabe.
Bilang! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
effect on you, man.
If we can distribute this product all over
I'm
the
still
world,
holding it.
we can create so many multi-millionaires around the world. Guys, kung yung alak lang kung yung beer, yung alak, yung sigarilyo, naka-spread all over the world, maraming yumaman. Yung alak kung ba't sigarilyo, nakakabuti, nakakasama sa katawan. What more a product like this na nakakabuti sa ating katawan?